Oceania, a region brimming with a myriad of indigenous cultures, each one a vibrant thread in a rich tapestry of tradition, history, and heritage. From the Maori traditions of New Zealand to the ancient narratives of Australia's Aboriginal people, the diverse cultures of Papua New Guinea's highland tribes, the communal gatherings in Cook Islands maraes, and the unique traditions of Yap in Micronesia. Each offers a unique window into a world of rich cultural experiences. Today, we're diving into the top 5 indigenous cultural experiences that Oceania has to offer. First on our list, journey to the heart of New Zealand and immerse yourself in the traditions of the Maoris. Here you can feel the powerful rhythm of the haka, a war dance that stirs the soul. You'll also have the opportunity to partake in a hangi feast where food is cooked in a pit oven. The earthy flavors and communal spirit of the hangi feast truly encapsulate the essence of Maori hospitality. A visit to New Zealand isn't complete without a taste of Maori culture. Next, we travel to Australia to learn about one of the world's oldest living cultures. Aboriginal cultural tours offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Indigenous life, where storytelling, art, and ancient landscapes intertwine. Hear tales passed down through countless generations, marvel at the vibrant artistry that narrates these stories, and explore landscapes that have borne witness to this enduring culture. Each element is a testament to the resilience and vibrant spirit of the Aboriginal people. Experience the deep roots of Aboriginal culture that have endured for thousands of years. Our third stop takes us to the highlands of Papua New Guinea, home to an array of diverse tribes. Here, each tribe is a vibrant tapestry of unique customs and traditions, a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage. From the elaborate Huli Wigman's headdresses to the Enga tribe's spectacular Sing Sing festivals, we're offered a glimpse into a world far removed from our own. It's a place where age-old customs still hold sway, painting a fascinating cultural panorama. In Papua New Guinea, every tribe tells a different story. Fourth on our list, we venture to the Cook Islands for a traditional Polynesian gathering. The marae is more than just a place, it's a cornerstone of Polynesian culture. Here, the Cook Islanders meet for cultural and social events, merging the past with the present. Every stone, every carvings, every chant tells a story, connecting the islanders to their ancestors. It's a living testament to the rich heritage of the Cook Islands, a place of unity and identity. The marae is the beating heart of Cook Island culture. Finally, we sailed to the Yap Islands in Micronesia, a place of unique traditions and customs. Yap is a fascinating tapestry of enduring traditions where stone money, giant limestone discs, still hold cultural significance. It's not just their currency that's unique, but their navigation skills too. The islanders have for centuries sailed the Pacific using only the stars, the wind, and the waves as their guide. In Yap, ancient traditions navigate the course of modern life. So there you have it, the top 5 indigenous cultural experiences in Oceania. From the Maori traditions in New Zealand to the unique culture of Yap in Micronesia, each offers a world of discovery. Embark on a journey of discovery and immerse yourself in the richness and diversity of Oceania's indigenous cultures.